One technique I've been using lately to great effect is kind of using the LLM a little bit like a thought partner, in the sense of I want the LLM to ask me questions, and then I answer the questions by just sort of talking or explaining or defending myself or whatever it is. And then I take the output of that, which is of course not in the structure that somebody else would want to absorb it. And then I hand that back to an LLM and say, make a first draft out of this in a way that someone else would want to absorb it. So for example, we were having a meeting just recently, and there was this one particular point that we wanted to clarify for people. And one of the people on the team was like, okay, I guess I'll write a doc about that. I'll try to get it done in the next couple of days. And I said, okay, hold on a minute. You know this. You know what it is you want to say. What if instead you just open up a Google Meet, turn on transcription, and just explain it? It doesn't have to be clean and clear. It can be as messy as you want, but then take the transcript, pop it into an LLM and say, hey, can you turn this into a first draft for me? And she did it. And she came back and she was like, that was the best thing that ever happened to me. I was done in 7 minutes with this thing that I thought was going to take me a day. And so there's this friction that's kind of inherent in this notion of like trying to clearly externalize something that you kind of already get. And if that's the situation you're in, boy, that can really accelerate you.